Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. From this video to next 4 to 5 videos, we will learn how to create PDF invoice using SQLite database. So this video is the introduction of that application. So we will call this video 0th video, okay? So let's have a look what we are going to develop. So first you need to open that application here. When you will open the application will look like this. Here you can enter the name of customer. Basically this application is made for a restaurant where you can order the pizza, okay, and based on your order this application will generate invoice, okay. So here first we need to enter customer name. The second is contact number of customer. For example, you can put anything. Here are the list of pizzas that you can select. For example, this Pepi Paneer, and this is the quantity. Okay. Now we have two buttons in this application. First is save and print, and another is print. So when we will click this save and print, these values will be saved in the database and it will generate invoice according these values. This print button we can use to print previous invoices. So first just click on this save and print and these value will be saved. Okay, so this value has been saved in the database and also it generated invoice. So to see the invoice, let's go to the file manager, and in the file manager internal memory, here you need to search Android, then data, and here you need to search your package name. So in my case the package name is this, and here you need to click these files and all the invoices will be saved here. So this is the invoice that we have created. Open this fifth. So this is the format. Here you can see the current date, current time. Current time is 8:10 and we have generated this on 8:07 am. This is the name of the customer. This is the contact number. Pepi Paneer quantity is 3, and based on this quantity and the item we have automatically calculated amount, and based on this amount here you can see the text and total amount. Okay, so this is the format that we have created. Now again come to the application, and if we will click on this print button, you can see all previous generated invoices. Okay, for example we want to print this third number invoice. Okay, so customer name is Suman, date is this, and time is this. Here you can see we have only 4 and 5th invoice. So here you need to put the invoice number. Okay, so this is the invoice number 3. We can put 3 here and click this print. Again when we will go to the file manager, we can see the third number invoice here, and here you can see customer name is Suman. This is the contact number, this is your date, time, and this is the item, quantity, amount. Okay, so this is the application that we will learn how to create in next couple of videos. So I will request you to please subscribe this channel and also click bell icon so that you can get the notification when I will upload these videos. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, please take care and bye.